Hello. My name is Carly, and there is a new, free online image generator for AI art by Meta, the parent company of Facebook. It is extremely fast, and in my opinion, very capable. Let's take a look. Once you sign in with your Facebook account or a new free account at the address shown, simply type your prompt in the box above the Generate button. Click Generate, and you'll very quickly receive 4 variations based on your prompt. The images are completely free, are currently 1280 by 1280, and appear to be unlimited in generations. There will be a watermark at the bottom left corner of each image for now, but you may easily remove the watermark with Adobe Photoshop, the free online version of Adobe Firefly, or another tool. My avatar, and all the images in this video were created with Meta AI. In this video, you'll see 66 images created by Meta AI, ending with some awesome images of superheroes. Let's get started. I start with 3 images in the style of the artist Salvador Dali. This verified for me that Meta AI responds to named artist styles. Next, we'll try images in the style of Vincent van Gogh. These look like his work, called Starry Night. Now let's generate some realistic images of a woman sitting at a table in a street cafe in Paris. And here is a 3/4 view of a man working on a laptop computer. Next, I tried a selfie shot of people at the beach. I thought these turned out well. Of course, we could not go without a rendering of a person in a cyberpunk city. This is a frequently used artistic style. And here is a rendering of a popular anime character you frequently see on public art boards. Here are some gentleman cats, dressed in jackets and breeches in a pool room. I really like this. With Meta's Image AI, I can sometimes add text to the image. For the current version, I did need to use the %sign character sequence to represent a single blank space more reliably. This hedgehog character was simple and straightforward. I think the hedgehog turned out well. Logo generation can work, but you'll need to regenerate a few times to render logos without text. I tried to help by using the phrase, "no text." I tried framing up some 2-character images with this martial arts prompt. I think these turned out well. These tennis player images are true to the prompt. I believe they all look realistic. I wanted to see how Meta AI would respond to specific car models. I like the results for this classic car. Here are images of a generic racing car being worked on by crew members. Another nice rendition. Meta also does a nice job with nature and landscape photos. I like these 3 beach scenes. For this shot, I wanted to try another camera angle to see how Meta would respond. The selfie shot angle worked on an earlier image, And this rear view angle of the hikers seemed to work nicely as well. Food photos are always a good test for AI art generators, and Meta AI responded well. The pancakes look good enough to eat. The Caesar salad and bread also made me hungry. The detail on the salad and bread is very good. Now, we can sit back and enjoy our 3 superheroes. Spiderman, Superwoman, and Wonder Woman. Thanks for reviewing Meta's generative AI for images with me. I think this is a great start on Meta's behalf. Please give me a like to help the channel. Thank you for your support, and see you soon. Bye bye.